So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and today we are going to do the market analysis for the 9th of the April and what are the expectations from the market on the next opening bell. We are here to know that. So these were the headlines on the closing bell. The financials: Reliance drags Sensex 155 points lower, Nifty below 14,850, Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India rise up to 20%. Financial and Reliance lead the market fall. 16 out of 30 Sensex stocks end the day in the red. Index contributors were ICICI Bank, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance and Axis Bank. Top index gainers were Sun Pharma 3.65%, Hindustan Unilever 2.66%, Tech Mahindra 2.23%, and top index losers were Bajaj Finance are 2.97%, Ultratech Cement 2.22%, NTPC 1.95%, S&P BSE Healthcare biggest sectoral gainer up 2.42%, S&P BSE Realty biggest sectoral loser down 1.12%. Volume toppers were HDFC Bank, SBI, Sun Pharma, Reliance and ICICI Bank. So these were some flash lines for the Sensex on the closing bell. And now let's talk about the Nifty. What has happened in the Nifty today? Let's see. So here is the hourly chart of the Nifty, and as you can see, as I have told you, that today market is going to be near its resistance zone and will try to fall from there, and same thing has happened. As you can see, it is in complete consistency with whatever I have mentioned in the previous video. Let's see it on the daily charts, because I have told one important thing in the previous video about the daily charts. I said that this is an indecision candle, and today's candle was going to be very important, and this candle has shown that market is in the bearish sentiment. And now my expectations from the next week is that market will try to come near this support level, this red line, this support level. Market will try to come near this level. As of now, this is my expectations on the daily basis from the Nifty 50. And on the hourly basis, if we move to the hourly basis, so expectation from the hourly chart is also, look, as you can see that market has taken a turn from its resistance level. So my expectations from the on the hourly basis is also bearish, and expecting market to fall further, to go down further here. But we can also see some bit of range movement for a day or two, or for just one day on the next opening bell. These are my expectations, but overall market is in the bearish sentiment. As you can see, it has been clearly shown by our daily charts. As here we can see on the daily charts, this was an indecision candle, as we can see, the last 8th April candle. And yesterday I have mentioned, if market opens gap down or sustains below this candle, then we can see a bear run in the market, and same thing has happened. Today market has sustained. The closing of the market was below the previous candle. So yeah, I am expecting a bear run in the upcoming week from the market. Now let's see what has happened in the bank Nifty. So this is our Nifty bank. So this is our Nifty bank daily chart, as we can see right now on the screen. And here Nifty bank is also showing some kind of bearish sentiment only. As I have mentioned, that market is on its support zone, and from here it will try to breach down. And today's candle was also a bearish candle. So yeah, market is in the bearish sentiment. If we also check this on our hourly time frame, then also we can see here also that market is complete in its support zone, as we can see here. And I was mentioning this from previous few videos, that market will try to go down below the support zone, and I have told you not to ride any kind of bull rally. And the same thing is here also. So on the next opening bell, the opening is going to be very important, and what I am expecting is that the bearish sentiment, but can't say that market will come below this support zone or not, because this support zone is a really strong support zone for the market. As you can see here also, it is performing like a very strong support zone. So once market breaks below this support zone, I am definitely bearish in the market. And until unless if market goes up, the only one thing is going to happen after the any kind of small bull run is that market will be pulled back towards the support zone. So these are my expectations from the bank Nifty. And the day market breaks down below this support zone with the heavy volume, then we can see a heavy fall in the market. A big bear in the market is what my expectations are from the bank Nifty. So I think we are clear about the Nifty and the bank Nifty. Now let's see what were the sectoral performances today. And Nifty 50, we can see everything is in a red, but not big red. As I have mentioned yesterday, markets were little green, and today market are little red. So all the gains of tomorrow has been completely gone, and this is happening from the last few days in the market. As I am telling you, market is in the range of the support and the resistance, but the thing is that don't buy at support, only sell at resistance, because there are bearish sentiments in the market, and I'm expecting a huge fall in the market as of now. That's why I keep on saying that, as you can see. And I think the sectoral indices, the biggest fall we have seen in the bank nifty today, and still it was not able to fall below its support zone. That support is really strong support. Once bank nifty goes below that, then nobody is stopping bank nifty. And the biggest sectoral gainer on NCC is Nifty Pharma, 3.04% up. Pharma has performed goodly today, and PSU Bank has also performed goodly. And now let's see who are the top stock performers. So Cipla, Sun Pharma, Hindu Unilever, Tech M, Tata Consumer, Wipro, these were some gainers in the market. And if we see about the losers, Bajaj Finance, UPL, Tata Steel, Ultratech Cement, one stock we have talked about yesterday is in the losers for today. And Hindalco is also there. We have talked about both these stocks. So let's see what has happened to our stocks that we have talked about in our previous video, starting with the UPL. And as I am saying that UPL will be pulled back to its support zone, and today same thing has happened. So congratulations anybody who has taken entry in the UPL. So this was the entry level 654, and the low made by UPL was 630. So a great fall in the UPL. I hope everybody has enjoyed this bear ride and have booked a good amount of profit today. Congratulations to all of them who have enjoyed this rally, who have entered at the right time. As I have mentioned yesterday, that UPL will be pulled back to its support zone, and the same thing has happened. Now the expectations from the UPL is completely depending upon the next opening bell. If the market opens gap up, then the market will again try to go above the support zone. But as I have mentioned that this support zone was previously a big resistance for the UPL stock. So if market anywhere opens below this support zone, right now this resistance is acting as a support. If opens below this, then I'm expecting a little more fall in the UPL stock. So the level is clear in your head. I think if market opens gap up means if opens above this zone, then you can go long. If below this zone with a good volume, then you can go short on the stock. Now let's talk about Ultratech. So this is the stock for the Ultratech. As I have mentioned it, I have told you to go long. I have not told you to go short on this stock, but the conditions for going long were not fulfilled. And as I have told you, the only one thing I was suspicious about, that this bull run might not continue, was the volume. As you can see, the volume in the Ultratech Cement on this last candle of yesterday, the last green candle, was very less. That's why I was hoping that this can go downwards, and that thing has happened. The stock has fallen, so no loss for us. I have told you to long, and the conditions I have given you were not satisfied. That's why no loss to us. This trade goes nullified for us. Now let's move to another stock that we have picked yesterday, and it was Hindalco. So this is the Hindalco. I have told you to short the Hindalco below the 360 level, and it went below to 354. So almost 6 points gain in Hindalco also. We have gained good in UPL also. We have gained good in the Hindalco also. Ultratech Cement went nullified. No entries in the Ultratech today for us. So yeah, to trade went right, and now I am not giving you any trade for the Monday. The only trade for the Monday is UPL. I have told you the level of the UPL, and Nifty and Banknifty, I hope, is clear. So that's it for today, everyone. So I hope you liked the video, and as you can see, the market is performing inconsistent to what we are predicting. So I hope you are liking our work, everyone. We are doing a lot of research for all these things. That's why we are giving these almost perfect levels. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep supporting us, keep sharing our channel, and please do like the video, share the video with friends and family, and do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification for our daily videos. Thank you so much.